Hey guys, it's DJ Girl, and today we're going to Universal Studios in Roblox. I don't know what to do. Boing, 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 boing. I'm excited, so I want to go and run. I want a free one. Free one. That's too fast. I'm gonna go to Works gift shop. Oh, they don't have any more. They don't have t-shirts. Oh, I'm sad. They gave away pretty old t-shirts. Oh, hi guard. What is he saying? Here's my bag. Please place bags here for information. No, thank you. No, thank you. Can't get it. Junk food. I want junk food. Junk food. Junk food. Junk food. Junk food off. I don't want to eat junk food. 2012. What? I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Right. And here I Kasu. He's getting a YouTube channel one day. Nor. Tell him that you didn't see that. Wow. Looks good. Never ride this ride before. Don't tell me. Is this a creepy glow? No. This is making me happy a little bit. No! This place is rumbling. Getting nervous. Oh, it's fake. Or it actually fell. Oh my goodness. This place is wild today. I'm in the field. I'm not driving. Who's driving the car? Well, this is actually a creepy ride. That's what I know. Don't tell me. In the comment down below which says don't look. Mayor says it's in. I knew it! We speeded! I should have wrecked. Oh no, don't. Yay! This is actually not useful. This is actually very weird. It's because the buildings are falling. We were flying, and now I feel like we're at Disneyland for a second. But we're not. I'm gonna go on and ride again. That was the best ride ever. That was probably. Hey! Rude! Rude to a child. How did it do that? Every time I jump. Woo! Woo! I don't like it. We're gonna reset, guys, very sadly. I just love that part when it goes like, ooh. Whoa! I'm not excited at all. Wow! This bill flows off. I'm gonna go on that ride again now. I feel like it's gonna rain right now. Why? 2012. I love this ride. Ooh, this is actually really fun. Let's keep going. Fix to come. Oh, now open. Fixes to come. This time I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving. I am driving. Come on. I want to go on an airplane. What's actually happening? I'm so confused. What is happening? Are windows cracked? Oh my goodness. Everything's attacked. Ew, mud. Ew. Gross. Ow, it's actually falling. I feel like it's actually breaking. Yeah, it's still broken. It's breaking like a... No! A huge bagel. I didn't see that. That was a huge bagel. Go speeding, go speed, go speed, go speed, go speed. I was just jumping off my chair. Wah! That broke me good.
Where you go? Get back over there.
We're gonna fly. We're actually flying in Roblox. Really cool. Don't tell me. Nothing fell. I saw you too. Whoa! Stop that. That's not comfy, you know. Okay, we're done with this one. Let's just go back. Shift. I can't jump now. Can't get out of this ride. Which is kind of mean. No! Okay, we're just exiting. Sorry guys, I went a little backwards. Just malfunction, just ignore it. So we have to go back in the game. Take forever. I'm just joking, doesn't take forever. I'm being funny. Wow, it was loading and now we're done loading. There he is. Guys, if you haven't played Roblox, I'm going to give a shout out today. My very first shout out. You know who it is? No, I don't know last name. Paige, J. Paige. So Paige just got you know what I mean, like a shout out. I don't know what it means since I'm a kid. So I don't know what shout out means, but Paige is getting a shout out with Stella. So we're gonna play now. Not playing that. These two are glitchies. So we're not playing those two. I'm playing. Let's play Heroes of Roblox, yeah. Excuse. I love him so much, I can't miss another video. I need to scoop my butt. Just put him right there since he's going to be our next video. Ah! Love him. He is so nice. So... Gang, come on, gang, come on. Come on, gang, come on. Come on, gang, come on. Boring, we did play. Leva. Come on. Chop, chop. And look at all of these guys who are coming soon. Coming soon. Coming soon. Everybody sing. He coming soon. All day long. Dun 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 dun. Escape banana guy. Oh no. I need to tell my parents something, okay, guys? Hey, guys, it's DJ Girl here, and today we're playing the normal elevator. And there's banana and weird duckies in here. Which last time, if you guys heard part 1, This is part 1. This is part 1 of the normal elevator. No, I wonder what he does. That's what I'm scared of. Don't do something weird. Don't, elevator, do something crazy, mister. Why are you getting closer? You're creeping me. I feel like you're getting closer. Bye. That was weird. He did nothing. That was it. This is crazy. I'm not gonna show you privacy. I just in case it's like weird. Oh, I want to see the ducky principal. What is this? What are noobs doing? What are noobs doing? What noobs? What are you noobs doing? Are you gonna get a second? I don't get this. We're gonna be burned up a lot higher. Fire's coming closer. Fire's coming closer. That was weird. I love that song, even if it's into my head. So this is the one I'm loving. But I love this one. So cute. Get her. Bacon? Why are we talking about